So here's why I say it's for everyone. And a lot of people always ask me where I get my clients from. And I went to sell some shoes today to a gentleman, young dude. And we were talking as he evaluated the sneakers that I was like, if you didn't know, that's my first love, sneakers. This just is something that I was good at because numbers always make sense. But I digress. In any case, we were talking through the sneakers and he started telling me about how he buys collections. And one time he went to the bank and was buying somebody's collection and asked for a lot of money and they told him they didn't have it. And I explained to him the bank is no different than any other business. It's the law of supply and demand. And because of fractional reserve lending, they only keep enough money on hand to service their customers throughout the week. So if you want an inordinate amount of money, 10,000, typically the threshold is $5,000 where they'll reevaluate and determine whether or not they're going to give it to you. You have to place an order just like anywhere else. Because if you put $10,000 into the bank, they're keeping 1,000 of it and loaning the other 9,000 out in credit cards at 18 to 33% and car loans at 6 to 9%, mortgages at 5 to whatever the ceiling is for mortgages right now, but they're loaning that money back out. It's a business for them. They're not there to steward your funds. And that's why infinite banking is such a powerful vehicle. It allows you to store your money safe in an insurance policy. And when you borrow the money from your policy or from the insurance company, not directly from your policy, the insurance company is going to continue to pay you a dividend on the entire amount as if it never left so that you can use those funds, in his case, to secure that sneaker collection without disrupting the growth of your money. So you're putting it in the insurance company's coffers, protecting yourself because of living benefits. If you fall critically, chronically, or terminally ill, you get access to the death benefit, not your cash. So you're not depleting your funds. You're depleting their money to care for yourself, to maintain your quality of life. And ultimately, if you pass away, you just took your 10,000, your 20,000, however we structure the policy because it exists at every level and multiply those funds because that's what pays out because it's an insurance policy in its purest form to your beneficiaries. So I just look for people to help. So it's only fitting that I put on the Batman shirt today, my favorite superhero, because he's the one that just generally wants to help people, doesn't have any superpowers, just has cool toys. And infinite banking is the coolest toy on the planet hidden in plain sight.